Water jet machining, definition, parts, working principle, application, advantages and disadvantages. Water jet machining introduction. A simple illustration of a water jet is the point at which a finger is put over part of a tap. The stream of water flows with higher pressure so it washes away mud, giving a jet-cleaned item. Throughout recent years, because of the potential for reducing dust and related hazards while cutting coal or rock utilizing water jet machining. What is water jet machining? One of the advanced and innovative machining processes which is used to machine different sorts of workpieces which ranges from plastics to metals is known as water jet machining. For machining softer materials, for example, plastics and fibers, simple water jet machining is utilized. Thus abrasive particles are blended in with the water jet to play out the cutting action. The pressure varies as per the workpiece from which the material is to be removed. This process is like the water erosion peculiarity that exists in nature. It is essentially used to remove materials from soft and non-metallic workpieces like plastics, elastic, glass, and so on. A high-velocity water jet is utilized in this process to eliminate materials from the workpiece. The basic standards of this process are that the kinetic energy of the water jet must be converted into pressure energy so it eliminates the material from the workpiece. Working principle of water jet machining. Water jet machining works on the standard of deterioration of the area on which the high-speed water jet strikes. All the while, first, the pressure of water is increased to a few thousand bars and afterward, the pressure energy is converted into kinetic energy of the water jet. This kinetic energy as a high-velocity water stream is sufficient to eliminate material from the surface of the workpiece or penetrate the workpiece resulting in a cutting action. What is the process for the construction of water jet machining? In water jet machining, the water repository is connected to the hydraulic pump which is utilized to increment pressure. The hydraulic pump is then connected or associated with the intensifier. The essential supply from the intensifier is connected to the accumulator and the subsequent supply is connected to the blending chamber through a pressure control valve and flow control valve. The mixing chamber is connected to two supply lines, one for high-pressure water and the drain system channel which in turn is connected to the supply repository through the pump. Parts of water jet machining. 1. Water reservoir. A water reservoir is utilized to store water which is to be utilized for the machining process. 2. Hydraulic intensifier. For increasing the pressure of water, hydraulic intensifier plays a very essential role. 3. Hydraulic pump. The hydraulic pump is furnished with a pressure gauge to measure the pressure of water being passed. 4. Abrasive storage tank. The abrasive storage tank is utilized to store the abrasive particles. 5. Accumulator. A tank that stores high-pressure water utilized for machining is known as an accumulator. 6. Valves. There are two valves utilized during the process of water jet machining. I. Pressure control valve. A pressure control valve is utilized to control the pressure as well as the direction of the water. 2. Flow regulator valve or flow control valve. Managing the progression of water is utilized. 7. Nozzle. One of the important parts of water jet matching is that converts the pressure energy of water into kinetic energy and is known as a nozzle. 8. Mixing chamber. The blending chamber is the volume where high-pressure water is blended in with the abrasive particles. 9. Drain system. The drain system accumulates the water subsequent to machining and sends it back to the repository tank. 10. Flow regulator. The progression of water arriving from the control valve is regulated utilizing a flow regulator. 11. Catcher or drain. Catchers or drains are utilized to gather water subsequent to cutting the workpiece. Application of water jet machining. In aviation industries for machining, cabin panels, engine parts, trimming turbine blades, and so on are generally utilized for water jet machining. Mostly in automobile industries, water jet machining is utilized for machining different automotive parts. This is because of the minimum wastage of material during the machining process. Not many machining processes are equipped for cutting fragile materials. One of these machining incorporates water jet machining, which is moreover used for machining different glass products. Exceptionally large setups of abrasive water jet machining are utilized for cutting rocks through the principle of erosion by a pressurized stream of water and abrasive particles. Average water jet machining is also used in textile or material industries for cutting soft or delicate as well as thin materials with high precision. Advantages of water jet machining: A. Accuracy. B. Clean process. C. Complex structures. D. No heat generation. E. Adaptability. F. Eco-friendly. G. Low cost of running. Disadvantages of water jet machining: A. High initial cost. B. Material thickness. C. Low efficiency. D. Corrosion. Thanks for watching.